So if you're like me and you're waiting for the brand new Amazon Firestick interface, then I've got something for you I think you'll find really useful. It's this here, and it is brilliant. And it's really, really easy to install, and it takes all your streaming apps that you pay for and it searches them all and it also makes suggestions for you. And it really is a must-have app for your Firestick. So we're in the home section here, and the beauty about this app is that all your streaming services that you subscribe to, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, uh, ITV Player, and there's a few others, and this will search all of them and also make suggestions for your viewing pleasure. So, and it's also got a really good search feature as well, which I'm going to show you later on, and just a little bit in the video. So as you can see, we're in the home section here, and it gives you some suggested genres there. And the beauty about this is that no matter what you click on, you know you're going to be able to watch. It's not going to be one of these things where you click on it and it says, oh, you have to rent it. No, these are things that you know that you can actually watch. And because it's on your Netflix, it's on, well, there you go. All these are Netflix, Amazon Prime, and obviously Disney Plus or whatever you're subscribed to. I'm just using the ones that I'm subscribed to. Managed to get Disney Plus for free, which is pretty good from family. We've also got Top 10 Today. That's using the UK there. So really is very good. It also has different sections here. It's completely free, by the way. It's got new section. So these have all been added today, or so they say. We've also got ones that have been added yesterday, and it goes back down through, obviously through, I think it goes for 1 week. Yeah, it does for the last week. All the new kind of things that have been added on. So here we go. We've got Red Dwarf. It's been added onto UK TV Play. And if we go back to, that's popular. We've got watch list. Have I got anything? See, I don't have anything. You can connect it to your app, which I haven't got. I don't even have an account. You don't need an account. Really is, you can just use it for whatever way you like. But the beauty about this is, I'm just going to click on one of them, is when you click on it, it tells you what it is, and then you click on it again, and it takes you right into the app. So you don't have to then come out and then start up Disney Plus or whatever. It goes straight into it and for you then to play. Really cool, isn't it? Now, I mentioned the search feature. I love this. You no longer do you have to go through all of your apps. If you feel like watching a movie, for example, let's put in, I don't know, Predator. No idea why. Just came to me there, Predator. So if I wanted to watch that today, and I'm thinking, if I got that in any of my streaming services, well, I just have to put in Predator here, and this will search them all to know whether I may have to watch it in other ways, if you get my drift. So here it is here, Predator here. If I click on it, it then says it's not on any of my streaming services. So I would then have to use a different way, rent it or get it some other form. Now, let's give one that we know will definitely be on it. So if I go into search again and clear it and put in Deadpool, then comes up with Deadpool. And I've noticed, if you notice next to the 15 there, it says Netflix. So we actually have got it on Netflix. Deadpool 2 is available on Disney Plus, and that's what else have we got? Once Upon a Deadpool. It's obviously a short, but if I go straight into Deadpool, you guessed it, it will then come up with watch on Netflix. You click it again, and then it's going to go straight into Netflix, ready for you to play and watch, no longer having to search through different apps. Really is pretty cool. Right, so how do you get it? Really, really simple. Just go into your Amazon page and search for Just Watch. Just Watch.
Okay.
And this will come up. And all you do is, I've already downloaded it because I own it, but you normally say get. You just click on it and it's going to install it. How simple. No need to do anything through downloader or anything. It's on the Amazon marketplace, whatever you call it. We click it, open it up, and it will ask you then, what streaming services does this app want to search? And there are several to pick from. Obviously, you don't pick the ones that you're not subscribed to. So I've got Netflix, I've got Disney Plus, I've got Amazon Prime, I've got ITV Player, and that's pretty much it for me. I can do My5 as well. It can also ask me to log in. You really don't need to log in at all. So that's the ones that I will pick, and all I do is click on Get Started. And then you give it a couple of moments for it to load up. And there we go. We've got all these suggestions now. It really is cool. Now, if you want to change it, or if you've added a subscription service, that's where you go into settings here. And we can then change it. Just like that, and just take it off or add it on. So there you go. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, if you've already got it. I'll see you in the next video. I've got another one that's just like it for TV shows as well, so make sure you subscribe for that, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.